What is going on? How's everyone doing in Facebook land and in YouTube land? I am streaming in count them, five different locations. I'm doing it on Society 11 on my profile, Society 11 Moneymakers Group, Internet Marketing, as well on YouTube. So I am just going to check the actual quality here real quick, make sure everything is running smooth, make sure everything is happiness. And just double checking. All right. Expand this one out just to make sure. I'm not quite for sure, but I think everything is working good. Kind of stop and go for you. Is it a little bit better now? Because it looks like I've got some of things closed down and adjusted. I've got plenty of internet speed. I know that for a fact. I got 1 gig up and 1 gig down, so I just want to double check everything. And so I'm going to go ahead and run a speed test while I'm talking. So what it is I've seen this plugin and I've seen the developer. I know the developer. He actually produces quite a few evergreen plugins. And so what I've done is I've asked him for review access. So I'm just going to tell you that up front. I've got review access and I am an affiliate. I want to make sure you completely understand exactly what I'm going to be talking about here. And then we can go from there. So what I'm talking about, awesome. The actual software that I'm talking about is called WP Smart Links. Now, what this does is allows you to create links that does a bridge page and then links over to the actual or redirects over to the URL that you're wanting to send traffic to. So this is actually a smarter way than just doing cloaked pages, because a lot of the cloaked pages either iframed or tried to stuff the cookie into the page in order for them to get affiliate credit. So this is actually a pretty smart way of doing it. And I have it set up on my particular uh, WordPress here, and I'm going to go through that here in just a second. As soon as we go through the sales page just a little bit. This is one of the best ways to cloak links if you're going to call it a link cloaker. But it's not. This is an actual link redirect service that you're actually going to be creating here. Now, it's going to be going for $47 a month, but right now it's a $27 one-time payment. That is the front end. The front end allows you to create the pages as you need them. The redirects to whatever links or affiliate links can be either or. And these particular type of links you can include Facebook pixels, or you can use Google Analytics, or you could use a Google tag, which includes both to speed things up a little bit. So you can keep that in mind. Now, there's a few names on here that looks like they've been using it: Richard Fairbairn and Michael Bowes. Bleeding off profits, 60% is affiliate commission. Um, that is correct, because sometimes when you're trying to share out a link, especially for a particular network that quite a few of us frequent, called JVZoo, Facebook does not like their links at all. So you have to find a way to redirect around that. And Facebook has been in the past, they've stopped some iframes, they've stopped some other link cloaking service. So allowing this as a bridge page style is actually a really smart idea in that essence. Um, ban links, spam filters, ugly links. That's right. How many people use teeny links or bit.ly for links? And anytime a smarter customer or a web viewer sees those type of links, they automatically know I have no idea where I'm going. When they click it, they're like, it could be sending me to 1,000 different pages at once. They have no clue. Uh, Something that's actually linked with your particular domain, a customized domain instead, actually has a lot more clout than those particular types of links. So this is another good reason why you want to use that. Now, someone's asking me, does this compete with my WP image redirect? Yes and no. And I'm going to go over that here in just a few minutes too inside of the dashboard here so you can actually see the differences. WP image redirect I brought out in 2012 first as a desktop application and then morphed into a WordPress plugin. But no, that's not the intent of this particular review either. So I just want to make sure you understand that. They're saying this is the first all-in-one link cloaker, powerful smart bridge technology. That is accurate information there. And here's exactly what you get. Use your own domain name. And right here, your customers are 457% more likely to click your link here than teeny.cc slash some gibberish behind it. Yeah, you have no idea where you're going. So if you're giving your customer a little bit of an idea to customize domain, viewers on social media, YouTube, it definitely makes some sense. Now I'm going to go through some pros and cons of the actual plugin as well, so keep that in mind. It is pretty user-friendly. It is a WordPress plugin. It does not slow down your site, from what I can tell. You're able to manage all your links from one place, change your links on the fly. That's important because if an offer goes away and uh, you can't just change an affiliate link that you send out in the email a week ago. However, you can change a customized link that's on your WordPress site and then update the link, the landing page where it's going. So that's really a good idea as well. Broken links, unresponsive links, when you find them, you definitely need to change them up as quickly as possible. Bitly and teeny.cc links do end up in spam quite a bit, so that's a good thing here. And if you post too many bad links on your Facebook, you're definitely going to get the ban hammer, so keep that in mind. So all of this is making sense, and it is not he is not inflating or conflating the actual issue. He's actually explaining it quite well here. It's perfect for bloggers, affiliate marketers, beginners. Here's a couple of more reviews as well. Once again, I'm going to skip past the reviews because you're watching and listening to mine, so I'm taking that into effect as well. So how much is it? This is a little bit more. Right now, it's looking like it's $27.61. Looks like it may be on dime sale, just to let you know that as well. And I'm going to go ahead and get into it here over on my WordPress site. Now, I'm going to go through their particular plugin, and then I'm going to go through my particular bonus, and that way you can understand that as well, what you're going to be getting when you purchase through my affiliate link. So I'm going to come over here to the smart links, and if we click on all links, you're going to notice that I have one here already. And you're going to notice that you can share it out with Facebook and Twitter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on edit, and it's going to take me to the actual design page that we have here. This is the actual, basically like the slug where it's going to be going to. So there's news/links because I actually put links there. Now it says sub tracking ID allows you to go further to track your smart links. That is an extremely intelligent idea. There is one thing that Matt probably missed that would have made sense is when you're sharing here or using these links here to share on Facebook or Twitter, that it automatically added the tracking IDs to the URLs. Because if I click on share on Facebook, you're going to notice that this link does not end with /FB. So that is something that he should be able to fix relatively easy. But that's definitely something that I think that they missed there. And the exact same thing on Twitter. Whenever you share it on Twitter, I'm going to bring this down, and it just goes to links. It's not links/TW. So that is something that was missed whenever they were setting this up or designing it. but that is a really, really good idea using TIDs. This is something that WP Image Redirect does not have. Just letting you know about that. So we're going to come down here to the link settings, and right now that is my affiliate link. You're going to notice that this does work with Warrior Plus. It does work with ClickBank. It works with JVZoo. It works with Commission Junction links, Amazon, etc. So it will definitely work with multiple different styles of products. So you're going to notice there's my primary URL. Now, I'm going to make a backup of everything here real quick, just to be on the safe side, because I'm going to show you a couple of more things. Uh, Warrior Plus does not do a good job of any type of social sharing or any type of when you're sharing out your affiliate link, it doesn't do a good job of obtaining the OG information from the actual sales pages. And I'll demonstrate that. I'm going to click on grab the OGP data from this URL, and it's all blank. Thus, the reason why I copied it all before that. So there is a workaround that you could do. You can come over to the sales page, grab the URL, paste in the sales page, then grab the OGP data from there, and then change that back to the affiliate link. That is something that you could do. It's quick, it's simple to do, full 9 yards, so keep that in mind. And then, of course, it's going to be showing you the open graph preview where you could actually view it right down here whenever you're setting it up. So let me grab my information again. Let me grab my image URL, my description, and you notice it auto-populates that all right there. So that's how it's going to be looking when you're sharing it out. Really nice, really easy. And once you're done, what you're going to do is come up here and choose Publish or Update. Now, I'm going to go through a couple of more. I'm going to click on Add Link, and I'm going to show you this is the blank area, so you could actually see how it looks. Now, the bridge pages, I'm going to show you this real quick. I'm going to click on Bridge Page. Now, you're going to notice that there's different templates that you can use here. You can choose next, just scroll over. Right now, looks like there's 5. I'm not for sure if Matt's going to be adding more or not. That is a good question probably to ask him once you purchase. So what you can do is select the one that you want and then come down here. I'm going to click cancel and then update the site name, and then you can put in site URL and then put in your own logo. That way when someone clicks on the link, they'll see your logo, they'll see your site name, your URL information, and then it redirects. It just tells them, hey, we're getting ready to send you over to another website. You could change that text to whatever you want. So this is really nice, being able to make up these type of bridge pages, as well as you could throw in an ad there saying, hey, you may want to check this item out as well, getting more clicks on your links. So keep that in mind. Now, mine has the secondary offering, or the OTO. Now, the OTO is not needed. However, I'm going to tell you, it's a brilliant add-on. It's not needed for the functionality of the base functionality of sharing out your links full 9 yards. But whenever it comes to monitoring your links, and then whenever it auto finds a bad redirect or a 404 page or something like that, it will then say, okay, we're not going to send to that bad URL anymore. We're going to auto redirect to someplace different. And that does it automatically for you. Now, that is the OTO. I am telling you that up front. However, you don't need it. It's extremely intelligent, though, if you do so. That's underneath the monitoring tab. Once you activate it and purchase it and activate it, you could choose how frequently it checks your URLs, etc., and then give it the alternative URL to send people to. That's a brilliant add-on to this. Of course, you can also go to reports and view the actual links, how many times have been clicked, unique clicks, etc. So right now mine's showing 11. Then, of course, we can come over to settings. This shows the license key and the other information, full 9 yards. So that's what that's for. Now, let's come over to my dashboard. This is my particular companion plugin that goes along with this whenever you purchase. One of the things that I like to do is include the actual training information right inside of your WordPress plugin or your WordPress dashboard. That way you can view all the tutorials, you can see everything that you need to right here without having to go over to their members area. This is something that I think is a great addition to every plugin that I can find that I promote. I'm creating these, so keep that in mind. One of the other things, though, is your links that you share out. They need to be secure or SSL secure links. So I've actually included my training, which teaches you how to set up all of your domains, all of your websites with SSL for absolutely free. There's no cost to it whatsoever. So this training is included, and you're going to be able to view it right here inside of the WordPress dashboard at the same time. So right now, the WP Smart Links plugin is $27.61. If I click on refresh, it may go up. However, it's an extremely intelligently created plugin. So now I'm going to do a little bit of head-to-head with WP Image Redirect, and I'm going to show you the differences here. So I'm going to go over to Pages, and I'm just going to click on Add New. And then if we look a little bit further down, you're going to see WP Image Redirect. So mine handles basically what mine can do is we could split mobile viewers and desktop and tablet viewers and redirect them to different locations all at once. So if they're mobile on a mobile device, you can actually have them start a telephone call. So this is, like I said, they're apples and oranges. These are not the identical same plugin. I want to let you know that this one has a lot of purpose in this area, being able to divide the links, how it's handled, full 9 yards. And then, of course, Smart Links is the actual plugin that allows you to monitor, make sure the links are going well. So this is an intelligent idea as well. So that is it. This is my review. Like I said, I found a couple of things that probably can be changed up a little bit, and I'm sure I'm going to let Matt know as well, because being able to whenever you're clicking on these here, they should have that particular TID on there as well, so you can track them in your particular reporting, and you don't have to worry about that. It's automated for you, making life much easier. So if you want my plugin, my companion plugin is exclusive. You have to buy through me. Once again, the link is in the description. If you're on YouTube, it's down below. If you're on Facebook, it's up. It's up above, and I do have a either an arrow or some equal signs pointing towards the affiliate link. And I do tell you that is my affiliate link because I want to be FTC compliant. So with that being said, I appreciate your time. I appreciate you guys watching this. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I'll be more than happy to answer these questions for you. And until the next time, you guys take care. Have a great day.